I'm Crystal, and this is Vanhalla Adventures. My husband Brian left to go back to work, which has left me alone in the van for the past few weeks. As soon as he left, I started tackling some of my fears of traveling in the van by myself. Today, I'm going to continue on this journey of self-discovery while doing this whole solo female van life thing. Be sure to click the subscribe button now to follow along. Good morning, everyone. I hope you all can hear me. It's a lot warmer than I thought it was going to be out here today. It is a beautiful day. The Oregon coast doesn't always have the most clear skies and just perfectly sunny days where it's warm, where you could go in the water if you wanted to. But today is one of those days, and it's just absolutely gorgeous. So for the past couple of days, I've been staying at this state park here on the Oregon coast, and it's been pretty chill. I still have cell phone reception, which is awesome. The one thing I was really looking to do while Brian was away was to boondock more, but I realized I was just going to push myself to be somewhere I didn't want to be, and I really wanted to be near the water to do some self-reflection, to journal, to just sit on the beach after work, and it's been probably one of the most healing times I've had in about 2 years. After we did the van build, we just hit the road, and we've been going nonstop ever since. So I felt like I really needed this time to just kind of chill out. But I do have a fun thing in store today to also push me a little bit more in terms of doing something that I haven't done for myself really in a long time, and yeah, and in definitely like a new place where I didn't actually live. So should be exciting today. One thing I've learned in my life is that fear is a gateway to growth. I'm working to challenge myself each day to do something that interests me, yet feels scary or intimidating. One thing I've been really nervous about is hiking alone. I love hiking and find myself often not going out as much as I would like because there's no one around to join me. So instead of letting fear guide my decisions, today I'm going to hike by myself on the Oregon coast. So one of the things I get a little bit nervous about, have a little fear about, is parking, which I think a lot of you know if you watched my last video. So I'm working on releasing that fear right now, trusting that one, I'll find a parking spot, two, I'll be able to actually get into the parking lot I want to somehow. Also, I just realized I am kind of lost. I haven't been looking at my GPS. So I just parked it somewhere where I think is the trailhead parking lot. One, I did it. I flipped around. I feel like this is the right parking lot. Anyways, I parked, and that's I don't want to toot my own horn here, but I think pretty exciting. So let's see. Okay, well, some very nice people let me know that I'm not in the right parking lot. Oh, man. So, one more parking adventure to come, folks. One more. Okay, we're officially at the spot. Okay, not bad. Feels good to be getting a solo hike in, and in a place that I've never been before. I've never done this, and I don't know why. I think it's been a little bit of fear, and you know, and I think I picked a perfect day because we're going out to Cape Falcon, and it's supposed to have a gorgeous view of the beach below and also some cliffs as well. So it should be gorgeous. I realize as I'm walking that so much of my fear of doing things by myself stems from childhood wounds. I was raised, I would say, in a very protective atmosphere, and actually taught to fear so much about life. And in my adulthood, that has not served me well. And so I'm realizing that this is some deep healing that I'm doing while Brian is gone. And I'm noticing each fear come up. There's gonna be a bear, or I wonder if I get lost. Those are really the two biggest ones. And as I'm feeling them, I'm really just giving space for them. Just allowing them to be there, and then to reassure myself as well, but not to completely ignore it. I have a feeling that this work is going to continue on, and I'm really thankful to share this with all of you too. Really relaxing little stop here at the end, this little cove area, but I think it is time to head back and get back in one piece. We did it! I made it back in one whole piece. Feel really proud of myself. Another check on the growth list for my life. And now to make a smoothie. I am hungry. The best milk. I freaking love smoothies. If you've been watching this channel for a while now, you know that I have a smoothie every day. Anyways, I'm gonna drink this smoothie, and now it is time for me to hit the road. Next week we have a surprise, Brian and I both, for you, so stay tuned. And thank you all for watching, for coming along on this journey with me. If you enjoyed this video, be sure to give it a like to support our channel. Share it with somebody if they need some inspiration to go out hiking alone, whether you do van life or not. And be sure to hit the subscribe button and the bell if you want to receive notifications. Anyways, we'll see you all next week. Mwah. Blessings, everybody. Just totally fell on my butt. Oh no, and the camera is all dirty.